Hello and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today I'll be showing you around this lovely T-ROC Cabriolet R-Line we've currently got for sale, finished in pure white, featuring the 1.5 TSI petrol engine producing 150 PS with a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. You'll have peace of mind motoring as well with a full Volkswagen service history. And starting off at the front of the vehicle, you've got those LED headlamps providing fantastic vision in all conditions. Down the side you get these lovely 19-inch Suzuka alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly, with power folding and heated wing mirrors. There's a generous amount of boot space available as well with split folding seats. So plenty of room there for a couple of suitcases. You can also fold down the seats just pulling on those levers. Inside you got that signature R-Line upholstery with the park cloth, leather and Alcantara seats. At the front you got a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel alongside an adjustable centre armrest to keep you nice and comfortable. Just behind the wheel we've got a full digital display, housing all your vital driving information, including assistance systems on board as well. Alongside digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity, you've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto available, allowing you to mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. You've also got some of the latest safety systems on board to keep you and the family safe on the road at all times, including front assist. To help with parking, there's front and rear parking sensors with audible warnings, and you've also got multiple driving modes available. A little bit further down the cabin is JAWS and climate control on offer, as well as a little bit of storage below and a couple of USB ports so you can charge multiple devices. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this vehicle or you'd like to arrange a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today or visit the link in the description.